How to disconnect someone from Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Kate here, and in today's video we will learn how we can disconnect someone from Snapchat if you feel like someone else is using your account and is logged in into your account and using it in a different device. So without further delay, let's get into this video. For that, first of all, you have to open up Snapchat application and make sure that you're logged in with your preferred account. From here, tap on your Bitmoji icon at the top left corner. Once you're here, hit over the settings icon at the top right corner. Once you're under the settings page, scroll down and search for an option as Session Management. Once you find the Session Management, tap on it. Now under Session Management, you will find all of the devices where you are currently logged into. So if you see any of the devices that is unauthorized, or if you notice a new different device, then you have to tap on the cross icon next to that device. So once you tap on the cross icon next to that, a pop-up will appear in your interface to confirm that you want to remove the device. Confirm it, and once you do that, now you have disconnected someone from your account or from your Snapchat account. That's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.